Hello, my friend. Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. My name is Paul, and this is a wonderful healing wine because I'm a herbalist also, and I could not heal my ankle from swelling until I drink this wine here. Where's that wine? That one? This one.
This was your right.
This one is the one that healed my ankle, and because it also cleanses the blood tremendous.
Yeah.
And I think that's the big reason that we can heal our
Ato
body.
igipahibulang tanan nga
Once
atong
you
mga
cleanse the
agri-food,
blood,
abre
the
na
body
o
will
pwede na
heal
kitang
itself.
mamaligya o mamalit sa mga
Alright.
produkto nga naka-display.
Yes.
While ang atong mga hurado,
I don't know what
magtuyog-tuyog
else.
usab sa pag-judge
say,
o paghatag og punto sa
But
inyong
there's a
mga
lot of people
booth. Kaya kanatong
drink this
agri-food,
and have many
usab po na
good
siya ka
testimonies on how to help
competition,
the body.
pagsadaay og booth
Diabetes
kung sa mga
and many
baligya,
things.
pag-display sa
Alright.
mga produkto
Alright.
gikan sa ato
Thank
ang
you,
mga
sir.
barangay.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. So, mungkin itong kaigsuran guys nga itong from where are you from, my friend?
America.
From America guys nga tested and proven kay napaayo gud ang iyang masakit ug balatian
I
nili
live here.
no sa gumikan ini nga niinom siya og ansis champion bugnay no. So kung sino na member of bugnay guys mo ni giinom sa tuang bisita o dayuhan no is no Makati City. Yes guys, kini yung premium vlogger bisag nako DB Biton, and also guys please subscribe my YouTube channel din to Abisiyo. Sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.